There are 37 markets right across Jamaica. And if I count arcades in it, we're running close to 50 markets and arcades across the country. And all of these facilities are maintained by the municipal corporation. The fees that are collected in the markets is not adequate for maintenance of the market. But despite that, it is the responsibility of local government to provide the funding to assist in the necessary repairs and maintenance of our markets right across the country. Sometime last year, when I toured the area, I was concerned about the general appearance of the market. But one of the things that we consider is what is important in a public market. And naturally, the public sanitary facilities are important. 80% of the persons that use our markets are females. Majority of the vendors are females. Most of the shoppers are females. And you know, it is difficult for a female to take care of themselves when the proper facilities are not in place. We're going to be providing an additional $20 million for further works to be done on the Ocherius market. So between the St. Anne's Bay market and the Ocherius market, in less than a week, the government of Prime Minister Andrew Holness will be providing $35 million for further improvements on the market.